Hello student, my name is Priyam Singh and this is the second part of chapter 2, that is memory and storage. In the first part we had already covered computer storage in bits and bytes and internal memory. Today we will cover external memory and various storage devices. In previous video we have seen that computer memory is divided into two types: internal or primary memory and external or secondary memory. In internal or primary memory, it is also known as main memory. It is inbuilt memory and used to store data and instruction while the computer is working. The data stored in internal memory is erased when the computer is turned off or when the power is goes off. Means it is the storage capacity of this internal memory is very short period of time. But in the external memory, it is used to store the data for a long period of time. Once the data is stored, it is not lost even when the computer is turned off. It is very essential because the internal memory of the computer has a limited storage capacity. That's why to store more the information or data, we use the external memory. It is also known as secondary memory. Here you can differentiate between internal and external memory. The first difference is that the internal memory is used to store data temporarily, whereas the external memory is used to store data permanently. The internal memory is also known as primary memory or main memory, whereas external memory is known as secondary memory. When the computer turns off, the memory stored in internal is lost. But when the computer is turned off, the storage information in the external memory is not lost. These are the difference. When we run a program, it is copied from secondary storage into the internal memory. That's why it takes more time to access the data from secondary memory as compared to the internal memory. Means when we want to run a program which is stored in the internal memory, then it takes more time to access in compared to the internal memory. Now here we complete this topic. Now come to the another topic, that is portable storage devices. The first storage device is hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage medium of computers. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can hold a large amount of data. It is made up of multiple disks, which are further made up of hard plate of metal. Here you can see the image of hard disk. The top part of the hard disk is made up of metal. Data is recorded on both sides of the hard disk. The storage capacity of hard disk is 2 terabyte to 5 terabyte. Now come to the another storage device, that is CD. CD stands for compact disk. It is an optical storage device. It is thin, shiny, circular disk and can store data up to 700 megabyte. It measures 4.7 inches in diameter. It can hold text, graphics, sound, image and videos. It can be used for data backup and holding software. To access data from a CD, we place the CD in a CD plate which is located in the front panel of the CPU box. Now the third storage device is DVD. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It is also an optical storage device and used for store data or record movies with high quality of videos and sound. Though a DVD is similar to a CD in shape and size, but the storage capacity is 6 times more than CD. The storage capacity varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Now the fourth storage device is Blu-ray disc. It is a new optical disc and can store up to 25 GB of data on its single side, and on its dual side it can store 50 GB. Means in both side it can store 25 GB of data. Its storage capacity is 5 times more than DVD, though it is also look similar to the CD and DVD, but the storage capacity is 5 times more than DVD. It is mainly used for storing high quality sound and games, movie, etc. It derives its name Blu-ray disc from the blue violet laser that is used to read and write the data on it. Now, flash drive. It is popularly known as pen drive or thumb drive, the most popular data backup device. It is a plug and play device and can be connected to the USB port. The full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. It is a small, light-weighted and removable disk. That's why it is easily carried from one place to another. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. It can store up to 1 terabyte of data or 2 terabyte of data. Memory card. A memory card is a storage medium for portable devices like mobile, digital camera, music player. It can be easily removed for access by a computer. This device transfers image and music file into a computer by using memory card reader that can be connected to a computer through USB cable. Nowadays, most of the laptops come with inbuilt card reader port where we can insert our memory card and save or see our data which is already stored in it. Here we complete this chapter. In further video we can deal with the question answer part and exercise work. Thank you.